What is up guys, this is Rowan. Welcome to another brand new unboxing video on this channel, and today we have a true wireless Bluetooth in-ear earbuds from Aimpaw. So guys, let's unbox it and find out what's inside. So let's cut this thing open. So that's it inside the box. Okay, then what I have, we have some manual, how to pair it up, how to charge it, blah blah blah. Okay, and we have a USB charging cable. This is the tiny USB charging cable, and two pair of extra earbuds, of course different size, and these two are two wireless earbuds. And this is the port to charge those. You have to put it. Wow, it's magnetic. And then cover it up and plug it. Now let's charge it. There is a blue light here. Yeah, you can see. So it's now charging. It's blinking, means it's charging. So this front lock is magnetic. As you see, this is a magnet, and it's just locked using the magnet. And these two earbuds automatically charge from this 4-pin. You see, there is a 4-pin connector here, and when it's placed inside this charging hole, it automatically locked by magnet. So here also we have a magnet, and as soon as we remove these earbuds from this earpod, it automatically turned on. Now it's turned on. So let's pair it with my phone. Now let's turn on the Bluetooth and connect with this Aimpaw.
Second device connected. Left channel.
So this is Aimpaw T2L. Let's tap to connect. Pairing. Pair with Aimpaw W-T2L. Allow pair.
Connected.
Now it says pairing successful. Battery 100%. Now I'm going to play some music and record it using this Audio Technica ATR3350 so that you guys can get how these true wireless earbuds sound like.
Just to hold you close and all your fears that you dream of, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Right now. So guys, today in this video we're going to unbox this box, find out what's inside, and find out how the camera performs. So guys, let's get started. So do you guys love the sound sample? Let me know in the comment section below. And I feel like the real sound is way better than the sound sample you just listen. And this one perfectly fit on your ear. If you do jumping then do some karate, whatever you're going to do, it's not going to feel off from ears. That's the good thing about. And when I first time saw these cheap Chinese true wireless earbuds on e-commerce site like eBay, AliExpress, I feel like those are garbage. This is crap, and I never ever tried to buy one of these things and test it, but this one blow my mind. It's kind of an earpod killer. It sounds awesome, like amazing. I use this Leophile Ale, then this EP52, but it sounds way better than that. Back of both of these earpiece has a multifunctional button which works as a power on off button as well as a play pause button and call receive and reject button. Although the headset is tiny and placed far away from the mouth, but its microphone is better than any other Bluetooth headset I ever used. So this is the Aimpaw website, www.xaimpaw.com, and on this page 7 mini Bluetooth headsets are listed, and only this one is stereo, means it support stereo sound. It's not mono, it's stereo, but you can use it as a mono too. And this is the specification of the Aimpaw True Wireless Bluetooth headset. As I previously told you, it supports noise reduction,
Bluetooth 5.0 and CVC 6.0. So AIMPO wireless earpiece with Bluetooth 5.0 technology and CVC 6.0 noise reduction with built-in high-resolution microphone. It gives you a more stable connection signal, and as I told you before, two mode of use. You can use it either on mono mode or you can use it as a stereo mode. So on mono mode, this earpiece can be used by two people. That's interesting, guys. And rest of other thing I discussed with you before.
And the price around $30 to $40, maybe $70 depending on where you are buying it. You can buy it from Amazon.com, Amazon.in. It's a bit expensive, around 8,000 rupees. Then you can buy it from AliExpress. I find the AliExpress is most cheapest. You can get it around $30. So if you want to check it, all the link is in the description below. And one thing I just forgot to mention, that inside this pod there is a 500 mAh battery, and I have no idea how much battery it has on this true wireless Bluetooth earphones, but it can give around 3 to 4 hours. I personally tested, I can get about 4 hours continuous playback. That's awesome. Then you can charge it using this thing. Just put it inside and then rest charging. So that's an awesome thing. But what I feel like I'm going to lose it. Like, yeah, I'm a careless person, so possibly I'm going to lose it. So I'm going to stick with this Neofile L. I love it. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure you smack a big thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit the bell icon right now. So whenever I upload any video, you get notified. So guys, meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.